This website is going to pay you money every single day, at least 2,000 naira per day, sent straight into your bank account if you have your smartphone, only by doing some simple tasks on a daily basis. I only urge you to watch this video from beginning to the end so I'll be able to get the whole gist. Please, if you like this my video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're going to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of seeing my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for coming back to my channel. Please make sure that you share this video among your family and friends. So let's get straight to the website where you'll be able to earn at least 2,000 naira on a daily basis doing simple tasks. Then if you come over to the website, it said get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. Earn daily income by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing simple social tasks for top businesses and brands on your social media account. So this website basically pays you in doing about two or three things. First of all, you can earn by selling people's products. That is, you can become an affiliate marketer. You can also earn by posting adverts of other top businesses, or you can also earn by doing some simple tasks such as following some media handles. Now, if you come to this website, you're going to see create free account. One good thing about this website is that you can also get it as a mobile app using your Google Play or App Store. Then if you click on get free account, you're going to put your name. Please make sure you're going to put your original name, the name that it has to do with your bank account. Please make sure that you're going to use the first link in the description of this video to sign up. So when you finish, you're going to click on sign up. Now for me that already has an account there, let me click on login for us to dive deep into what this website is all about. If I click on login here, then I'm going to put my details. So this is how this website looks like here now, and you see this place says congratulations, you are now a member. Now what happens here is this: if you enter into this website, if you sign up, please, the first thing you need to do is to activate your account with a 1,000 naira. It is that 1,000 naira that's going to give you advantage for you to have a series of tasks that you can do to make money from this website. Then this list is earn. If you click on earn here, you're going to see two different ways that you can earn money from here. The first one say earn daily by posting adverts of various businesses and performing simple tasks on your social media handles, or you will sell some products of top sellers and brands and set up and earn up to 100,000 naira monthly in sales commissions. Now it's not left for you to choose the one you want to do, but for the fact that you are here to make some very quick cash, then you can click on get started to post some certain tasks on your social media handle. So and you click on this place. Now if you click here, you're going to see this place say click here to resell products and earn up to 100,000 naira monthly in sales commission, or you post ads, then or you come and do some simple tasks. And the one good thing with this website, for instance, now if you see the first simple task here which says post adverts on Facebook, but there's one thing with these posting tasks on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter: you must have at least 1,000 followers. If you look at this place says earn the income by posting adverts of businesses and top brands on your social media page. Don't have a 1,000 follower, then click here to perform simple engagement tasks. Then if you click on this place, you're going to see some simple engagement tasks. Like this place says like and follow Facebook business pages, earn 3 naira per page like and follow. Like and follow Facebook pages to businesses and organizations and earn 3 naira per like or follow. The more pages you like, the more you earn. Then if you click on this one, for instance, if you want to do this Facebook task, you just click on it, open it. Once it opens, then you're going to click on generate next task. If you click on generate next task, then you click on yes. Like this place says, are you sure you want to generate your next Facebook page like task? Now you have 1 hour to perform this task. Please confirm only if you are ready to perform the task. Then you click yes. If you click on this yes, this thing is going to open. Then you see the task that you must do. Say like and follow Facebook business page, earning is naira per page. Then if you don't want to do this task, you can click on cancel task. Then if you want to do it, you click on do now. Then if you click on do now, you're going to see how the task looks like. Then the task says here, step 1, open the task link above on your Facebook mobile app or browser. Step 2, the link will direct you to Facebook page which you are meant to like and follow. Then click on the like or follow button on the Facebook page to start liking or following the page. You must not unfollow the account after you have followed the account. For create a screenshot of the page that shows you have liked or followed the page and upload the screenshot under the proof of work form below. You are also required to enter your Facebook username or name which you use to perform the task. So what you need to do is, if you click on this place here, you are going to visit the Facebook page that you are needed to follow. Click on follow. If you click on this follow, then when you finish following this Facebook page, so what you need to do is to screenshot that Facebook page which you have followed. Then you come here and put your Facebook name here. Once you put your Facebook name here, you click on this place to get the screenshot of what you have followed. Assuming now you have followed this one, then what you need to do, you click here, then write your Facebook name page here, your Facebook, either your profile or your page. Like for instance, now let me use Aja Linus, which is my Facebook name. Then you are going to click upload proof. Then when you finish with that one, you will wait for them to verify it. Once they verify it, then you are going to get your payment. And these are some of the tasks that I have done for some time. Like if you click on completed tasks, so before I came up, I did some of these things to be able to confirm that this thing actually works, to get this place for you to sell some products to get paid. If you click here, you see these are some of the products that you can resell to make money. Please make sure that you're going to click the first link in the description of this video for you to enter this website and start making your money. And these are some other popular products on this website which you can also resell: for groceries, phones and tablets, baby products, computing, fashion, electronics, home and office, books and movies. These are some of the things you can also sell for you to get your commission. Do not waste time, please take action now.